downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm home.
This is the Florida State Police Department activating an Amber Alert system. We have received important information regarding children abducted in Palm Beach County, Florida. 2 teenage boys have been abducted from Canal Point and is believed to be in danger. The first child's name is Brandon Pelham. He is a white 17-year-old male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 150 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The second child's name is Gavin Leary, a 16-year-old white male, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 140 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. Authorities believe the children are in the company of Dorothy Leary, a 47-year-old white female, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 160 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes. They may be traveling in a black 2010 Mercury Mariner, with Florida license plate 18CX31. If you have any information regarding this abduction, please call 911 immediately.